Okay, this is how to create a virtual device on Android Studio. So first you're going to download Android Studio if you don't have one already, and then we are going to open your project. So open your Android project. I currently just have one on a desktop called project, and then open up the Android folder and then open. And then basically you're going to go up to here and it's called Device Manager. So if it's not clicked already, you're going to want to enable that. And then as you can see, these are all the devices I already have loaded. To create a new one, you just hit here, create virtual device. You can click the phone or tablet you want. We'll say a small phone, and then you're going to hit next, and then it will give you the API options. I generally do the highest API available. So in this case, API 36. Next, you can label it whatever you want, and then hit finish. And then normally it takes a little bit longer to install. And then I already installed the API, so it installed immediately, and we have the virtual device. And you can open and run the device by hitting the play button, and you can take it out of the window and put it here. And then if you close Android Studio and you're using something like Expo or another device, it'll open it up separately outside of this window. And then we have our virtual device.